forget to subscribe!
Imagine a world where a simple tablespoon can transform your health. No, it's not a magic potion from a fantasy tale, but something as accessible and natural as olive oil. Renowned for its role in the Mediterranean diet, this golden elixir has been a secret weapon against pain and inflammation for centuries. Today, we delve into how incorporating just a tablespoon of olive oil daily could potentially revolutionize your well-being. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, which is known for its health benefits. It also contains biologically active compounds such as antioxidants and polyphenols. These components are crucial in combating oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, laying the foundation for its pain-relieving properties. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many serious diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune conditions. Olive oil's rich content of anti-inflammatory compounds, particularly oleocanthal, has been shown in studies to work similarly to ibuprofen in reducing inflammation. This not only helps in managing pain but also protects against chronic health issues. From joint pain to muscular discomfort, olive oil has demonstrated efficacy in reducing pain. Its mechanism involves inhibiting inflammatory enzymes, much like common anti-inflammatory medications. Conditions like arthritis, which are characterized by painful inflammation, can be notably alleviated by regular olive oil consumption. In the heart of the Mediterranean diet lies olive oil, a key factor attributed to the health and longevity of populations in this region. Studies consistently show that Mediterranean populations suffer lower rates of chronic diseases, and this diet, rich in olive oil, plays a significant role. When compared to oils like coconut or vegetable oil, olive oil stands out due to its higher content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These attributes make it not just a healthier choice, but a medicinal one. Unlike other oils, which can have pro-inflammatory effects, olive oil consistently shows health-promoting properties. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is simpler than you might think. From drizzling over salads to using it as a base for cooking, there are numerous ways to enjoy its flavor and health benefits. It's also perfect for creating dressings and marinades, enhancing both the taste and nutritional profile of your meals. Cold-pressed olive oil, known for retaining most of its natural flavors and health benefits, is superior due to its minimal processing. This method ensures that the oil's antioxidants and monounsaturated fats are preserved, maximizing its health benefits. Many users report significant improvements in their health and reduction in pain symptoms after incorporating olive oil into their diet. These testimonials not only underscore the potential health benefits, but also help in understanding the oil's impact on a diverse range of conditions and lifestyles. Health experts often recommend olive oil as part of a balanced diet due to its numerous health benefits. While it is widely endorsed for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, professionals also caution against excessive intake, which can lead to caloric overload. Though largely beneficial, olive oil is high in calories and its excessive consumption can lead to weight gain. It is also important to ensure the authenticity of olive oil, as the market sometimes sees adulterated products which do not offer the same health benefits. Ongoing research continues to explore new areas where olive oil can benefit human health. Emerging studies suggest its potential role in cognitive function and mental health, opening new vistas for this ancient remedy. Olive oil is more than just a dietary staple. It's a potent natural remedy that offers a plethora of health benefits, particularly in pain management and inflammation reduction. As we continue to uncover the layers of benefits provided by this remarkable oil, incorporating a tablespoon a day could be the simplest, yet most transformative change you make for your health. The insights provided in this essay not only highlight the traditional and scientific backing of olive oil, but also encourage a practical integration into our daily lives. Whether you're suffering from chronic pain, trying to manage inflammation, or simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, olive oil represents a promising, natural, and accessible solution. Embrace this golden elixir
Don't
and
forget
let the
to
journey towards a more
subscribe.
healthful and pain-free life